Hello, and welcome to second section of our course, Executing Async Callbacks. In the first video, we're going to understand what are async callbacks. As we have seen before, by definition, JavaScript executes code synchronously. Synchronous execution entails having each step of an operation waiting for the previous step to execute completely. This means no matter how long a previous process takes, subsequent process will not start until the former is completed. Asynchronous operations, on the other hand, defers execution. Any process that takes a lot of time to process is usually run alongside other synchronous operations and completes in the future. As we have seen an example in previous section, when we use setTimeout to execute the code inside it, it will be executed asynchronously due to the JavaScript runtime nature. When a function simply accepts another function as an argument, this contained function can be defined as a callback function. Using callback functions is a core fundamental part of asynchrony in JavaScript, and it can be found in set interval, event listening, or when making API calls. Let's take a look at the demo of how callback functions look like from inside. Okay, so let's start by writing some code. Okay, so what we have inside setInterval method is a classic callback function. SetInterval accepts a callback function as its first parameter and also a time interval. Callback functions can be named or anonymous functions. Here on the screen, we are looking at callback function that is anonymous, meaning that it didn't have a name. Let's modify a code so we can see an example of named callback function. Let's suppose we have the following one. And now, we create another function which, the same way as setTimeout does, accepts a callback function and executes it in some step internally. Now, let's execute to see what is the result. So this is the usage of callback here. And in this case, the function that is passed as a callback is declared before, so it is a named function.